There's an ant feeding testing station to the left, flour with a drop of water just recently added. Next, a pancake, and below pancake was I did a drop of water, which is now sucked into the paper, but it was popular. Another piece of pancake. That's from the morning, the pancakes. That's many hours ago. Red watermelon, the most popular now. Below the yellow dot was fruit juice. It was popular, but that's out now. Yeah. Ants, ants, ants. So many up here. I wondered about the water. I suppose they need water and want water, but no, it's not popular. They want the sugary things. I will add little water to the pancake lumps there, and they will be more easy to eat, I think.